everybody, it's Jen here. I have actually just checked into a beach club studio villa. I have two of my kids with me right now, so I'm going to go ahead and apologize in advance for them. They're a little crazy today. But I just wanted to show you a little bit around this room. We're only here for one night. I am a family of 5, and it's large enough to fit us in here. I'm going to turn you around real quick. So in the entryway of entering the door, there's actually a good amount of space. You could store suitcases. We put our double stroller here. It works out perfect. And then coming in, so this is what you would see entering in. To the left, we have our bathroom. And of course, those amazing Disney H2O products with a nice shower head. And then I just got locked into the bathroom by my children because they love me so much. Okay, go potty now. So then you have your sink that's separate from your potty. Go ahead, Mira. There's plenty of toilet paper, I promise. And then, yes, we have some lovely H2O soap. Thanks, Leland. I appreciate the help. Now coming around here, this used to be a Mickey Mouse. I'll put it back. A Mickey Mouse head on our queen size bed. This is a queen size sofa pull out, which 2 of my kids will be sleeping on tonight. Over here you have this handy table, and this folds down.
Can you help me watch TV?
Can you give me a moment, please? Yeah. Thank you. See, this folds down. You just move your chairs out of the way. Excuse me, Leland. Okay, you can wait, Leland. I gotta figure out how to do that. I gotta read the directions. I'm not sure. But this folds down. This is a twin size bed, which will be perfect for my 9-year-old. You've got 2 drawers on this side.
In a bed.
2 drawers on that side.
In a bed couch.
And then out here, we are on the first floor. So we actually have this fantastic little patio that I'm sure my husband and I will be sitting out there tonight after I put my kids to bed. Yes, we do have a bed couch. And then you also have 2 more drawers for storage over there with the Bible in there. But let's go back over here to this kitchenette real quick. In the villas, you have a microwave. You have a mini fridge. And a minute, Meredith. Under here, you have your trash and recycle. You have plenty of paper towels. They give you plenty of paper goods. A toaster. A coffee pot. And even some coffee. So Kevin and I will be good for tomorrow morning at least. We did bring breakfast for our kids just because that is... Please stop. Just because it's easier for us to have breakfast in the hotel room with our kids. They are